Gee, what are we doing this evening at Caddy Girl Garage?
Scraping grease.
Scraping grease. That just sounds like too much fun. But we should be hopefully shooting some paint on Sunday to the frame here in the front and also the firewall. Because next weekend, if he can do it, I intend to have the brake guy out. So lots of exciting things. So another night. I think we're finally getting down to the end of things. Everything looks really, really clean. I've got it all soaked with degreaser right now. That's set on there for a while, so we're finally going to do the final rinse on it. But after all of our different degreaser trials, I have found the trusty old purple stuff that we have always used. It still works the very best. So anyway, we've got a bunch of this on there right now. Like I said, I'm going to rinse it down for the final time, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and tomorrow we intend to shoot it with paint. So I know everybody's probably going to have a fit about this too, but this is what I intend to shoot the firewall with, things like that, because I just want the engine compartment to have kind of a textured finish to it. Obviously, like I said, not doing a Pebble Beach car or anything like that. This is going to be a daily driver, and so I just want something with nice coverage that will make the frame look decent again and things like that, and just clean everything up. So this is what we'll be using tomorrow, the textured finish in black, and I think it'll come out looking pretty nice. Alright guys, I think this is about as clean as it's going to get. We'll do a little bit more when we take the backing plate off. But as you can see, in a lot of places we're down to bare metal. So, you know, it's pretty good. Like I said, I'm not trying to make this a Pebble Beach show car. I actually want to preserve kind of the original Survivor look. So I just kind of want to, like I said, rattle can everything under here tomorrow and just freshen it up a little bit. Cover obviously the bare spots in the frame so it doesn't rust. You can already see quite a bit of like surface rust starting. But anyway, super, super clean, getting all new brake lines and everything. Hopefully next weekend, the guy's set up to come if that happens. He said there shouldn't be a problem with that. But I'll be filming that whole process. So anyway, it's pretty clean under here. Thank you for tuning into the channel, guys. Have a good night. So this is the special message that I wanted to tell you guys real quick. Last night I discovered another fake YouTube account. And what's so funny is they're calling themselves State Congress, which has absolutely nothing to do with Cadillacs. I don't know who this is or who thinks this is funny, but again, I spent a lot of time online last night doing copyright issues, and as you can see in the next slide, YouTube also terminated that account. So thank you very much, YouTube, for being on my side, the side of righteousness and right. Anyway, guys, be on the lookout for more fake accounts. Have a blessed evening. Take care.